Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're diving into the meaning behind finding pennies or dimes on the ground. I'm thrilled to share these insights with you, so let's get started. Many people hesitate to pick up money they find on the ground due to various superstitions suggesting that even small amounts of lost money carry negative energy. Some believe that those who lose money might curse it, preventing anyone from benefiting from it. However, there are also old beliefs that finding money can bring good luck, especially during times of need. In these cases, the money is seen as a form of providential help. Finding money at the start of a new year, for instance, is thought to bring good fortune throughout the year. In modern times, money is still often viewed with suspicion. Historically, it has been linked to power, prosperity, and independence. In Chinese culture, money is associated with value and luck, so finding lost money is considered fortunate. In Asian folklore, picking up money from the street is believed to be a lucky charm. A simple coin should be worn as a necklace or bracelet, while a banknote should be kept in your wallet to attract prosperity. If you're fortunate enough to find money, it's seen as a sign that fate is on your side, suggesting that your destiny may be about to change and your dreams could come true. When you find money, it's important to consider its value. The first step is to look for the owner. If you can't find them, it's said that the luck is yours. However, this doesn't apply to money found in lost wallets with identification or large sums that should be reported to the police. So, if you find a penny, especially one with the numbers 1 or 5, don't discard it. It's considered extremely lucky. How often have you found pennies or dimes on the ground? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more interesting content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.